Asma, the floor is yours.
Thank you. Okay, so I'm Asma Smaoui from the CA, and I will present you our works using LLMs to design UML diagrams and arrowhead DSL diagrams. So the idea is to design the first co-pilot, arrowhead design co-pilot for the functional design from the requirement engineering phase. Traditionally, we build by hand the design of an arrowhead diagram. So the user had to use the Papyrus tool, which is a little bit complex to handle, mainly for users that are not familiar with this tool. So the idea is to enhance this design and facilitate it using LLMs. We are using LLMs in model-based design in general, in model-based system design in general, to assist users and also to get faster design. But we ask several questions. Is the design is as good as the user handmade design? And yes, so maybe also the user that is familiar with the tools will not be very happy to have an LLM that help him or an assistant to design. So we have also those other questions regarding using LLMs in model-based system engineering tooling. So the first demo is to build a UML class diagram, a classical UML class diagram, and the second demo will be to build an arrowhead DSL BDD diagram. So the first demo here to build the library system. So here we have the Papyrus tools. So the user click on the create project and he choose a project name. Here, for example, design with LLM. We will choose to create a class diagram. So here we have the class diagram, which is empty. We will just show the UML file that is also empty, and we right click on the UML file and choose the design with LLM menu. And now the user has a new GUI with a menu to choose which LLM. So if he choose the Mistral one, he can interact with this AI. For example, his message, can you please design a UML class diagram for the library? So yes, the design will be in Papyrus because the UML file will be compatible with the Papyrus syntax. So the library is a system library, and here we say that we would like to have only 1-3 classes because the LLM can generate a lot of classes and then take a lot of times and maybe have a lot of some errors. So here the file will be automatically updated. And yes, he is trying to thinking now. So maybe I will let him thinking. Yes, and now we see that he has produced this XML files and also update the UML file. Now, if we open the name of the model is updating to library, and the LLM has created a book class, a member class, and a long class. So yes, we have only 3 classes, and also add some attribute. For example, for the book, we have the title, the author, and the ISBN, and also yeah, and also some attributes for other classes. So this was the first work that we have done together with Chaba to designing just a UML class diagram. So now what I will present is another video with the Arrowhead DSL. So now we will select the Arrowhead architecture framework, and we will just choose a name for our project. And now what we have is a Pyparus diagram. So we will also open the UML file, but now we can see that we have a lot of things, but we haven't yet a model element. We have just the libraries that we can use and the CSML profile applied, as well as the Arrowhead DSL profile. So it's the same scenario. The user chooses LLM. Here he has a lot of LLM because we have tested a lot of them. And for example, he can ask to design a light system with a monitoring service that has an HTTP operation named turn on. So the protocol is HTTP, the service is the monitoring, and the system is light. So what the LLM design is a SysD, SysDD, an SD, and an IDD. So SysD is the system design, SysDD is the system design description, SD is the service, and the IDD is the service description for, with some information. So we can drag and drop those elements and arrange them to find, yeah, we have to select them before clicking to arrange all. And now we see that the LLM produced the SysD and the SysDD also with the right generalizations, and also with the elements with the port element and with operation. So what we see in the right here is the palette when the user is designing by hand his system. But now the system is already designed by the LLM, and we can see that it's not so bad. So it's a good help for the user. He can, even the port are well typed with the service description. So yes, here I will try to have a demo, a live demo. So this was the same UML class diagram, but here you can see the Arrowhead UML, the Arrowhead BDD diagram, and here we haven't any element. So I will try to use the same Arrowhead LLM latest, because the one who works better. But I will ask him with another prompt to define another type of system, for example, a monitoring system with two services. So the LLM should create a monitoring system design and a service alerts and a service for the metrics, and adding those operation, both operation with the right protocol. Here we have also specified that we would like that the services are designed using ports. But even if we don't specify this, the LLM will design using ports. So this is a live demo. Okay, so it was working. So now if we will see, we can see here that the LLM has succeeded to design the, so we will create the diagram. So new diagram, this is for the block diagram. Yes. Okay. New diagram, arrowhead block definition diagram. Okay, I will see create a view. Okay. Oh, it's not working. This is for the video stuff. But here we can see that we have the CSD and we have the part with the same with the typing, with the good typing, and also the services, and with the good stereotype for the HTTP protocol. So yes, this was my presentation. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Let me stop the video, and you should have questions, hopefully.
Okay.